mystery geyser!
Do it again, but less racist this time.
Hello, I am Giant Mystery Geyser! It is I, the Giant Mystery Geyser!
Razzle dazzle, the mage of sage. I have the power of God and anime on my side. Razzle dazzle, the mage of sage. Hello.
Why don't you love me?
Hello, I'm the master of the America!
They find themselves in a battle orchestrated by the whims of fate. Game over. Victory is yours. Welcome to the next stage of destiny. Defeated. The battle has finished. Victory is yours.
The Mystery Geyser has now become Old Sparky. And you better watch out. I was once known as Master America. But now, I've been reduced to nothing more than a stub. That is why I will be named Stubby.
I was once known as Razzle Dazzle, the mage of sage.
But if you do lackluster bouts in the ring, I must be called Wartime! This is time for a war, man!
Da-na-na, da-na-na, da-na-na. Oh my god! Oh! Is that
Yeah, but I'm Old Sparky now. I don't need to change my name, but I wanted to.
Oh, you're going down in the ring with Wartime! Let's do it!
Oh, he doesn't really know about wartime. No. No, I did it! Take it!
Oh, yeah!
Game over. Victory is yours.
Yeah, you know, I gotta say, when I started out in the Wizard League, I didn't think I'd get to go beyond the Sage spell thing there, but yeah. And Old Sparky or the old Geyser, doesn't matter. You know, I'm out here and I'm ready to play. Let's go. Hey!
Last round, Stubby here didn't quite make it to the big leagues like I hoped he would, so we're giving him a little bit of a power-up. Here we got this star mission, so I'm no longer just Stubby. I'm Stubby Star!
Oh yeah! It's time for Wartime's blazing rebel persona to come out And we can kill the other wizard. I'm gonna be victorious. I'm gonna take home the belt. And I'm gonna be the only wizard on the fucking wizard.
Sparks flying from blades in battle light the fire in his soul. Cursed by fate, he wanders the world in search of his soul. His anger is the anger of nature. The earth will tremble in response to his roars. Victory belongs to the last one standing. Defeated. The battle has finished.
You guys aren't even done with me yet? That's right. The hound will
Behold the glorious victor!
America.
Victory is yours!
Oh, Mr. Geyser, how do you feel?
I feel good. Yeah. Okay.